Good day, guys. You're welcome to Browse Tech YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add custom token in your Trust wallet. Maybe you want to add a coin to your Trust wallet and the coin is not in Trust wallet yet. It has not been added to Trust wallet, or you just purchased the coin and it's not reflecting in your Trust wallet and you are instructed to add the token manually. So here I'm going to show you how you can add any token on your Trust wallet, how to add custom token. So let's get started. So if you want to add custom token to your Trust wallet, you need 4 details about any token you want to add to your Trust wallet. The first detail is the contract address of the token. The second is the decimal of the token. The third is the token name, and the fourth one is the token symbol. I will show you how to get all these 4 details, but in many cases, if you are required to add custom token to your Trust wallet, maybe you join a project and you are instructed to add the token to your Trust wallet manually, they will give you the details that you will use to add the custom token to your Trust wallet. So if you have the details already, then let me show you straight how you can add the custom token. But if you don't have every details about the token, I'm going to show you how to get every details about the token and add the custom token to your Trust wallet successfully. So let's get started. If you want to add custom token to your Trust wallet, all you have to do is to click on this sign here. Once you click on this sign, you will be taken to this menu. Once you get to this menu, remember you've copied the contract address. If you get the contract address ready, you should have copied the contract address to your clipboard. But if you don't have the contract address, then I'm going to show you how to get it. But first of all, let me show you how to add the one that you have gotten the contract address already. So let's say this is the token I want to add it. Can you see this is okay? This one can be found here. Let me check another token that is not here. Let me check another token that is not here. Okay, let me look for a token that is not in Trust wallet yet. Okay, so you're welcome back. So once you get the contract address that is not the token, when the token is not on Trust wallet yet, so all you have to do is to paste the contract address in this search box. Once you paste the contract address here, can you see? So no asset fund, and you are provided with add custom token. You are provided with add custom token. So all you have to do is to click on this add custom token, then you'll be taken to this place. In the second method you can use to add this token, if you don't want to paste the wallet the contract address manually, you can scroll down this page. You can scroll down, then you will see add custom token at the lower section. Can you see add custom token? If you click here, you will still be redirected to this same place. So you have been redirected to this same place. So don't forget, at the beginning of this video I told you that the things you need to know about the coin you want to add manually is 4, but I've forgotten to add the network. So you have to know the network of the custom token you are adding. If it is Ethereum network, if it is Tron network, which is TRC, if it is Smart Chain network. We can click here to see the available networks. So can you see Smart Chain network, Ethereum, Tron, FedChain, Ethereum Classic, etc. like that. So let's say the instruction they give you says the token is Smart Chain, then you change it to Smart Chain. If you want to get details about token, I will still show you how to get these details, including network, contract address, how to get everything. So but if you have been given the contract address and the details already, this is how you can add it. So we have changed it to Smart Chain. Then contract address here, you paste it here. You paste the contract address. Once you paste the contract address, let's say they have told you already that the name of the token is Goody. Okay, let's use Goody for example. Then the symbol is GUD. You'll be given the symbol, everything. So the decimal is the most popular decimal is 18. So let's use 18. Let's say okay, so these are the details they give you when they say you should add custom token to your wallet. They give you the contract address, which we have pasted here. They give you the custom the token name to be Goody. We've typed it in the name. The symbol is GUD. Then we've typed it, and the decimal is 18. Then we've typed it. So all you have to click, all you have to do here is to click on done. Once you click on done, then the token will be added Can you see? You have added the token to your wallet automatically. And if you have purchased the token before, it will appear here automatically, and as the case may be, based on the instruction you are given. So if you go back to our wallet here, the goodie we've just added should be here. Let's scroll down to check it out. Can you see? So this is it. Now, if you don't have the details about the coin before, so this is what you have to do. All you have to do to get the details about the coin you want to add manually. If you want to add any token and you will need details, let's say you need the decimal, you need the network, the name of the token, the symbol of the token, all you have to do is to go to CoinMarketCap. I'm waiting for this Chrome to load. So all you have to do here is to go to coinmarketcap.com. Once you go to coinmarketcap.com, then you search for the name of the token you want to add it. These are the trending token. These are the available cryptocurrency based on their market cap. So all you have to do is to click on this search icon. Once you click on the search icon, then you search for the name of the token you want to add. Let's take a look of this BlackBerry token. Let's say you want to add BlackBerry token to your Trust wallet. Then you type BlackBerry token. Can you see the BlackBerry token is here already? Then you click on it. If it's BlackBerry, whichever the coin you want to add, you will type it there by yourself. So that's how you will do that. Then on getting to this page, the name of this token here is BlackBerry token. This is the name here. Can you see? This is BlackBerry token. You copy it. The symbol is BB. That's what they put in this bracket. Then you copy it. I hope you're following me. So after copying the name and the address, then you scroll to this place, contract address. Then you copy the contract address. You click here to copy the contract address, this symbol. This way you click to copy the contract address. Then carefully look at the front of this contract. This is smart, Binance Smart. That means the network for this coin is Smart Chain. Now, if you want to get the decimal of this coin, all you have to do is to click on these links, Website Explorer. Click here. Once you click here, locate these explorers, then click on bscan.com. Once you click on bscan.com, you will be redirected to the Bscan platform, where you will see all the details about the coin, total supply, number of holders, and etc. like that. So all you have to do is to locate the decimal. Can you see? This is profile summary, this is contract address, and this is decimal. This means the decimal for this coin is 0. So once we get the details about the coin, all we have to do is to go back to our Trust wallet. On getting to our Trust wallet, we go to where we want to add the custom token. Then we scroll down and locate add custom token. Once we click on add custom token, then we paste the contract address here. The network, let's change the network to Smart Chain, which is Binance Chain. Then we paste the contract address. The name of the coin is BlackBerry. The name of this coin is BlackBerry. The symbol is BB and the decimal is 0. Can you see? So once you add this, you click on done. It's brought the token automatically. Can you see? The token is live already. It have symbol. So if you check our Binance or our CoinMarketCap, when we copy it, so can you see it here? BlackBerry. Let's search. So this is BlackBerry token that we added to the Trust Wallet manually. Can you see? I hope you can see everything is compatible. So if you have purchased this BlackBerry before on your Trust Wallet, you will be able to see it here as it has been added for as you have added it manually by yourself. So this is the instruction you will follow on how to add any token on your Trust Wallet. So if you have been provided with the details of the coin, you follow the first instruction I give to you on how to add the one they have give you the instruction. You follow the instruction they give you, though you have to be very careful if they give you every instruction. Like if the coin is not found on the CoinMarketCap, maybe you're following a project on Telegram or any social media and they told you to add a custom token by yourself, you have to be very careful and do your research to know if the project's worth it and if it won't affect your wallet in any negative way. So once you do that, you can now follow their instruction. The decimal will be given to you, everything will be given to you. But if you purchase the coin from PancakeSwap and the coin is not reflecting and you are told that you can add it via custom token, so to get the details of those coins, all you have to do is to go to CoinMarketCap as I've explained, then search for the name of the coin. So after searching for the name of the coin, let's say we search for SafeMoon. Let's say we search for SafeMoon. This is SafeMoon. Then we're going to get the information about SafeMoon. This is Binance Smart Chain. This is the contract address. And if we should check the decimal, we click here. Then we go to Bscan to check the decimal. So scroll down and the decimal is 9. Decimal is 9. You know, when we had BlackBerry, decimal is 0. For SafeMoon, the decimal is 9. So each coin have their own details. So this is how you can check the details. Once you check the decimal, the name, the symbol, and the network, so you will be able to know how to add it on your Trust Wallet as custom token. If you have any question concerning this video, drop it in the comment section below and appropriate response will be provided for you as soon as possible. If you don't understand anything about this video or you're confused about any part of this video, feel free to drop the question in the comment section and I will explain for you. Thanks for watching and do have a wonderful day.